Welcome to Share My Lesson, and I'm going to guide you through the ICAS Digital Technologies paper. This question is about how to change the ringtone on an iPhone. A is the calendar app, which allows you to look at the calendar and date. B is the camera app, which allows you to take pictures and more. C is the reminders app, which lets you to type in important events that will happen and when, so the phone can remind you. D is the settings app, which allows you to change your ringtone. So D is the answer. This question is about changing the font size of words in a Word document. As you can see, the words by Gemma Bly will increase its font because it's highlighted. The answer must be D, by Gemma Bly. This question is about what order the names have been sorted. A is the answer since everyone's names are put in alphabetical order. B is not the answer since their names are sorted from Z to A. C is also not the answer since this spreadsheet does not have any information about their age. D cannot be the answer since this spreadsheet has no information about their age. This question is about what data is stored in a cell. A is not this answer since Leonie L at DDT is stored in B7. B is not the answer too since Pankaj Vidya is stored in cell A9. C is also not the answer since Banana 765 is stored in cell C6. D is the answer since IMO 876 is stored in cell C7. This question is about the safest information to provide when creating an account. The answer is A, since giving out your name will do the least amount of harm because Tom is a common name. However, the best thing to do is to give out a nickname. B, C, and D are not the answer because these things expose out personal information. Also, please visit this website over here for a free cybersecurity test. This question is about how many files are images. C is the answer since there are 6 image files, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, there are 3 different files in Charlie's document library, which are JPG, joint picture group, GIF, graphics interchange format, and docx, document format. This question is about what will appear on the first page when Virat does these changes. C is the answer because Virat selected the option start at page 2. So the first page will be page 2. This question is about how long this slideshow will play for. D is the answer because slide 1 runs at 5 seconds, slide 2 runs at 4 seconds, slide 3 runs at 4 seconds too, and slide 4 runs at 6 seconds. So in total, the slideshow will run at 19 seconds. 5 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 is 19. This question is about what formatting technique he used. A is the answer because the picture is more transparent. B is not the answer because there is no shadow. C is also not the answer because no piece of the picture is missing. D is not the answer too because the picture is not blurred out. This question is about what Joe should not do when there is a pop-up on your computer. A, B, and D are not the answer because the question says of what Joe should not do, and these things are what Joe should do. C is the answer because clicking on the message is what Joe should not do. This question is about what button Kristen needs to press to create a new field. D is the answer because when you click the Click to Add option, it will create a new field. This question is about what web browsers are mainly used for. B is the answer because web browsers like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, and Firefox are mainly used to find and view websites on the Internet. This question is about identifying what video sharing settings you must use. C is the answer, since Veena only wants to make and share videos with her friends and family only. This question is about what will happen when he turns on the passcode lock option. B is the answer, since turning the passcode lock option to on will allow Jamil to set a passcode. This question is about what will happen when Tia clicks on a drawing. As you can see, when Tia clicks on her drawing, this square will turn red. So the answer has to be D. This question is about identifying the folder of which the file birthday party is saved in. C is the answer because the file birthday party is stored in the photos folder because it's selected. Well, this question is about locating which key on a standard keyboard will create a new row. As you can see, when Jacinta presses the Tab button, it creates a new row on her table. So the answer has to be A. In this question, we need to identify why Peter didn't receive his email. A is the answer because the email states the words user unknown, meaning that Stephen didn't type Peter's email incorrectly. In question number 19, we need to locate what shape is made after Tom runs these lines of code. Tom firstly moves 50 steps, turns right 90, then moves forward 25 steps, turns right 90, moves forward another 50 steps, turns right 90, moves forward 25 steps, and finally turns right 90. This brings us to a shape of a rectangle. So the answer has to be C. In this question, we need to find out what alignment options will change cells A2 to E2 to the state shown above. As you can see, when Lee uses option A's alignment option, it brings cells A2 to E2 to the state shown. So the answer has to be A. This question is about finding out which search result will give us the least number of results. B is the answer because freshwater fish in Australia will come up with the least results since it is more specific and less wide than other answers. In this question, we need to identify which icon will change text A to text B. D is the answer since that icon over here will push the selected text to the right. This question is about locating which changes will make the photo 1 to change into photo 2. B is the answer since cropping the picture will cut out the unwanted parts and changing it to grayscale will reduce the color, also known as make it look gray. This question is about which cable plugs match with the ports. As you can see, the mobile device fits in with port number 2, the keyboard fits with port number 2 also, the headphones fit with port number 1, and the Ethernet fits with port number 4, bringing us to the answer of B. This question is about finding how long Tom's podcast runs for. The answer is B because his podcast runs for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. In this question, we need to find out how the document will look like after Oliver presses OK. As you can see, when you put the document to these options, the document will bring us to option A. This question is about how long the song was before Jim trimmed it. The answer is B, 3 minutes and 34 seconds, because it states the time on the right hand corner. In this question, we need to find out which of these things does Jing need to access a video online. D is the answer because Jim will need internet connection to access the video since it's online. This question is about what query Anita ran. The thing that only Jasper and Mohammed have in common is that they both live in Redtown, eliminating all the answers except C. In this question, we need to figure out how the N shape will look like when Gemma runs these steps. When she does step 4, the shape looks like this. When she does step 1, the shape looks like this. When she does step 3, the shape looks like this. And finally, when she does step 2, the shape looks like this, bringing us to the answer of B. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button to provide support to my YouTube channel. You can find more information on www.sharemylesson.com.au.